What's up everybody, Space Explorer here, and welcome back to the channel for another in-depth comparison video. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of amateur astronomy with two popular telescopes, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 and the EDISLA Astra 114. Now, whether you're a seasoned stargazer or just starting your journey into the cosmos, choosing the right telescope can be a bit like navigating an asteroid field. There are tons of options out there, each with its own set of specs and features, and it can get overwhelming quickly. That's why we're here to break it all down for you. We'll look at their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best for your stargazing needs. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114. This telescope is not just any ordinary stargazing tool, it's a gateway to the universe, right from your backyard. Right off the bat, the thing that sets this telescope apart is its innovative StarSense Explorer technology. This technology is a game-changer for amateur astronomers and seasoned stargazers alike. I mean, how cool is it that we live in a time where your smartphone can help you navigate the night sky? It's like having a personal astronomer in your pocket. The StarSense Explorer works by using your smartphone's camera in conjunction with the StarSense Explorer app. This app is designed to make stargazing accessible and fun for everyone. You just dock your phone into the telescope's mount, and the app uses plate-solving technology to identify the stars in your field of view. This means you can easily find and identify celestial objects without needing to be an expert. It's like having a personal guide to the cosmos right in your pocket. The app even provides detailed information about the objects you're viewing, enhancing your stargazing experience. But it's not just about the tech. The hardware of the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 is equally impressive. The Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 also boasts some impressive hardware. It's built to last and designed to provide a stable and clear viewing experience. It features a 114mm Newtonian reflector, which is a pretty decent aperture for a beginner telescope. This allows for a good balance between portability and light-gathering capability. This means it can gather a good amount of light, allowing you to see fainter objects in the night sky. You'll be able to explore star clusters, nebulae, and even some galaxies. When it comes to ease of use, the StarSense Explorer really shines. The app is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started. The app provides clear and concise instructions, guiding you to your desired celestial targets with ease. It's like having a step-by-step guide to the universe. Even if you're a complete novice, you'll be able to locate planets, stars, and even some brighter deep sky objects without pulling your hair out. The app takes the guesswork out of stargazing. And speaking of user experience, the feedback on the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 has been overwhelmingly positive. Users love how accessible and enjoyable it makes stargazing. Users rave about how easy it is to set up and use, even for kids. It's a great way to introduce young minds to the wonders of the universe. Many have shared stories of their first time seeing Saturn's rings or Jupiter's moons, and the sense of wonder and excitement is contagious. These are memories that last a lifetime. The telescope comes with a sturdy altazimuth mount, which allows for smooth and intuitive movements. This makes it easy to track objects as they move across the sky. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to take on stargazing trips. Whether you're heading to a dark sky site or just your backyard, this telescope is easy to transport. One thing I really appreciate about the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 is its versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of astronomical observations. It's a great all-around telescope that can be enjoyed by both beginners and more experienced astronomers. Whether you're just starting out or have been stargazing for years, this telescope has something to offer. Whether you're interested in casual stargazing, lunar observation, or even trying your hand at some basic astrophotography, this telescope can handle it. It's a versatile tool for exploring the night sky. Now let's talk about image quality. The Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 delivers bright and clear images, especially of planets and the moon. You'll be able to make out details like craters on the lunar surface and the cloud bands of Jupiter. These details bring the night sky to life in a way that is truly awe-inspiring. You'll be able to make out details like craters on the lunar surface and the cloud bands of Jupiter. These details bring the night sky to life in a way that is truly awe-inspiring. Of course, keep in mind that this is still a beginner telescope, so don't expect Hubble-like images. But for a beginner telescope, the image quality is quite impressive. But for the price point, the image quality is definitely impressive. It's a great value for anyone looking to get started in astronomy without breaking the bank. Another thing to consider is the accessories that come with the telescope. These accessories enhance your stargazing experience and provide additional value. The Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 comes bundled with two eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm, which provide different magnification levels. This allows you to customize your viewing experience. It also includes a finder scope, which can be helpful for initially aligning the telescope. This makes it easier to find and track objects in the night sky. Overall, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of astronomy. It's a well-rounded telescope that offers a lot of value for its price. Its innovative StarSense technology, ease of use and decent optics make it a compelling choice. It's a telescope that makes stargazing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. But how does it stack up against the EDISLA Astra 114? Let's find out. Stay tuned as we compare these two popular models and see which one comes out on top. Now let's turn our attention to the EDISLA Astra 114. This telescope takes a more traditional approach to stargazing, embracing the classic design that many astronomy enthusiasts love. But don't let that fool you, it's still packing some serious heat with modern performance capabilities. The EDISLA Astra 114 is a Newtonian reflector telescope, just like the Celestron, which means it uses mirrors to gather and focus light. It also features a 114mm aperture, putting it in the same league as the StarSense Explorer 114 in terms of light-gathering ability, allowing you to see faint celestial objects with ease. This means you can expect similar views of celestial objects with good detail and clarity, making your stargazing sessions truly enjoyable. One of the standout features of the EDISLA Astra 114 is its build quality, which is evident from the moment you set it up. This telescope is built like a tank, with robust materials that ensure durability and longevity. It feels incredibly sturdy and well-made, which is something I always appreciate in a tech product, especially one that will be used outdoors. You can tell that EDISLA put a lot of care into the construction of this telescope, ensuring that every component is of high quality. The Astra 114 comes with an equatorial mount, which can be a bit more challenging to master than the alta-zenith mount of the Celestron, but offers greater precision. However, once you get the hang of it, an equatorial mount offers some advantages, especially for astrophotography, as it allows for smoother tracking of celestial objects. It allows you to track the movement of stars more easily, which is essential for capturing long-exposure images of deep sky objects, making your astrophotography sessions more successful. So if you're interested in dabbling in astrophotography, the EDISLA Astra 114 might be a better option for you, providing the tools you need to capture stunning images. In terms of ease of use, the EDISLA Astra 114 is not quite as beginner-friendly as the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114, which offers more intuitive features for newcomers. The lack of a smartphone guidance system means you'll need to rely on star charts or planetarium software to find your way around the night sky, which can be a bit daunting for beginners. However, this can also be a rewarding experience as it forces you to learn the constellations and develop your star-hopping skills, deepening your understanding of the night sky. It's like the difference between using GPS navigation and reading a map. Both have their merits, and learning to navigate the stars manually can be incredibly satisfying. The EDISLA Astra 114 also comes with two eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm, providing a good range of magnification for different objects, from wide-field views to detailed close-ups. The optics are of good quality, delivering sharp and contrasty views, ensuring that your observations are as clear and detailed as possible. User feedback on the EDISLA Astra 114 has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its build quality, optics, and overall value for money, making it a popular choice among amateur astronomers. Some users have noted that the instructions could be a bit clearer, but there are plenty of online resources and tutorials available to help you get started, making the learning curve more manageable. One thing I particularly like about the EDISLA Astra 114 is its classic design, which gives it a timeless appeal. It has a timeless look that harkens back to the golden age of astronomy, evoking a sense of nostalgia and wonder. It's a telescope that you'll be proud to display in your home or take on your stargazing adventures, adding a touch of elegance to your astronomical pursuits. So, which telescope comes out on top? The decision ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Well, it's a tough call. Both the EDISLA Astra 114 and the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 have their unique strengths and cater to different types of users. Whether you prioritize ease of use or advanced features, there's a perfect telescope out there for you. Both the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 and the EDISLA Astra 114 are excellent telescopes with their own unique strengths. Choosing the right one can be a bit challenging, but understanding their features can help you make an informed decision. The Celestron shines with its innovative StarSense technology, making it incredibly easy for beginners to use. This technology allows you to align your telescope with the night sky using just your smartphone. Its intuitive app and user-friendly design make it a joy to explore the cosmos. You can quickly locate planets, stars, and galaxies with minimal effort, making stargazing a hassle-free experience. On the other hand, the EDISLA Astra 114 impresses with its robust build quality, classic design, and potential for astrophotography. It's built to withstand the test of time and offers a more traditional stargazing experience. It's a telescope that will last for years and can grow with you as your interest in astronomy deepens. The EDISLA Astra is perfect for those who want to dive deeper into the technical aspects of stargazing. Ultimately, the best telescope for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what you value more, ease of use or long-term potential. If you're looking for the easiest possible setup and user experience, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 is the way to go. Its quick assembly and straightforward operation make it ideal for beginners. But if you're willing to invest a bit more time and effort and want a telescope that can take you further down the astronomy rabbit hole, the EDISLA Astra 114 is a fantastic choice. Its capabilities in astrophotography are particularly noteworthy. Let us know in the comments which telescope you think is the winner, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Your feedback helps us bring you the best content.